Here at Strive for 25, we talk a lot about saving money, buying assets, and letting that asset grow and compound over time to build wealth. But saving money in this environment with inflation and cost of living going up so rapidly, with wages not going up as fast, is getting harder and harder than ever. So when we're talking to clients about jumpstarting their path towards putting money away, a lot of those conversations start with the clients talking about their budget and cutting expenses and doing meal prep or cutting their Starbucks, et cetera, et cetera. But one of the things that you hear from us a lot is that, hey, cutting your expenses, that's great, but that's only part of the equation. So what is the savings equation? Income minus your expenses equals your savings. And so there's a ton of content out there about cutting your expenses, but not a whole lot about increasing income, which is the other part of that equation. And so when you talk about compounding and using your time and energy, and when you spend daily, weekly, monthly habits on your budget, if that's all you're focused on, there's only going to be a limit to what you can accomplish because there's only so much you can cut. But what if you took a little bit of that time and spent that towards generating more income or increasing your income or finding another job outside of what you do or building a business on the side, and many other examples? What if you spent time on that each day, each week, each month, and then let that time and those actions compound over a month, 2, 6 months, a year, and so forth? Imagine how much you can accomplish over that time frame with putting the energy into generating more income or more revenue in your business. Because here at Strive for 25, our goal, our mission is to help empower you to reach your fullest potential. But part of that also means challenging you to think about things a little bit differently, pushing you to expand the way you look at everyday things. And here we talk a lot about the formula. The formula matters. The way you stack your actions matter. We talk about the example of a can of Coke. A can of Coke has the ingredients on the side of the can, but does that mean that we can replicate a can of Coke and replicate that flavor? Probably not. I think we all can agree on that. But the formula does matter, and how we spend our time and our actions does matter. So are you spending all your time on expenses, or are you finding time to be able to spend on increasing income? And we're excited on the next coming videos to talk more about some of the people that we know that are doing things differently than most and generating income in other ways that we can share, hopefully inspire you to find other ways on your own journey to generate income.